Back to the channel. Very happy to connect with you all again. 360DigiTMG welcomes all the people who are enthusiastic with data. And this particular program is to detail about the internship opportunity that we are offering for people who are interested to upskill themselves to next level in data science and data analytics. And this is completely free, right? And first of all, congratulations to everyone because you people are now in the right career path. You have chosen the right career path because data is what is going to revolutionize the entire world. Right? We have seen how data is transforming the industry. A lot of things are coming up with respect to machine learning, artificial intelligence. We have GPT models, LLM models, and generative AI. So the world is transforming itself into a fantasy movie. And if you are in the career path which is taking you into that direction, then obviously you are in the right path, right? So on that note, congratulate to everyone. And this is the challenge that you people are facing, isn't it? A lot of you people, I'm not talking about college fresh graduates or people who are currently undergoing their graduation. I'm talking about those people who are trying to get a job, trying to find a job by facing interviews. Unfortunately, a lot of people are not even getting shortlisted. People who are getting shortlisted, they are not able to clear the job. There are multiple factors which probably are causing this issue. At least from our side, we can put effort to fill the gap on a technical front which is required. Now, as part of this CSR program, Community Service Program, 360DigiTMG is bringing this free internship program, which allows you people to learn those skills which actually fill the gap. I'm talking about the productionization of your model. A lot of you people are already familiar with machine learning concepts. In fact, you have probably worked on a lot of hackathon problems. You know how to fine tune the models. You know how to automate the entire training process, cross validation process. But do you know how do you give your solution to your customer? Whatever you're doing is in your environment, in your computer. How will customer use that? Have you ever thought about it? You cannot say, okay, I develop the code and I'll give the code to them. Yes, of course, you will be giving the code to them, but they will not run the code. Right? None of the customers will write the code for their executions. What they will do is they integrate this solution with their existing IT infrastructure. It could contain a lot of other software applications. So whatever we are developing has to seamlessly integrate with the existing infrastructure, existing system of the customer. How do we do that? Now, as part of the CSR program, we will not be able to go into all the lengths and depths of these deployment strategies, but at least it is a foundation step. It is the first step that you're going to put in the direction which makes you an expert in this area. So as part of this internship program, you will be learning the strategies on deploying a trained model, the best model that you got. And after deployment, what you have to do? It's like post-deployment support. So as part of this program, this internship program, you're not expected to get the data, fine-tune it, pre-process it, then split it, train it, tune the model and all that. That is already done by some other people. You would be receiving the best model which is trained by the team. Now your job, or you will be learning on how do you deploy this solution into environment. As I told, we'll not be able to extend into the full lengths and depths of the deployment strategies, but you'll have a limited period in which you'll be learning how to deploy. So if you're already familiar with machine learning concepts and if you don't know how to actually do the deployment, then this is the right program for you. If you're new to machine learning capabilities, then you will have to join the internship program that we launch on every Friday. We have an orientation program similarly conducted on Fridays. You join that program, and in that program, I will be explaining about what is the actual expectation in that particular internship. This is for more, I should say, seasoned users, experts in machine learning area. But you'll be learning deployment. You will have this program for 30 days. And this 30 days also is split into 2 phases. You'll have learning phase. Learning phase also comes with evaluation phase. You will be given learning videos. You'll have to go through the learning resources, practice on the content that is shared, and you also showcase your skills by answering the questions that are posted on LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn? Because we also care about your profile building. LinkedIn is one of the important platforms where people try to upskill themselves and they showcase their professional capabilities. And it is open to all, right? And this is one of the top platforms for recruiters, job recruiters. They look into the LinkedIn profile and then they try to validate the profile. Now, if you have content which highlights your skill sets, then obviously employers would have more confidence in your profiles. So this is a activity which allows you people also to build your own profile by adding relevant content to it. So this is something that you will see, friends. Okay, this is me. My name is Sharad. I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics, and I closely work with 360DigiTMG and AI Spark. And I'm more into data engineering and MLOps related study. And this is how you would basically get the questions. What is Streamlit? What are the advantages when compared with other platforms in deployment strategy, model deployment related? Likewise, you'll also have questions from Python related subject. You'll have project management methodology. In this area also, you'll have learning resources and you'll have to study them and answer this, and so on and so forth. And what is expected is your answer should be like detailed answer, not MCQs. And you see some people have already answered the questions. More detailed and more relevant answer you get, more weightage you get. So this is about the evaluation. Once the learning phase is done, you'll get the hands-on. This is where you'll actually implement the learnings. The program comes for 30 days and 20 days will be learning because a lot of new things will come up. From the implementation perspective, yes, 10 days is there. And you may feel that 10 days is not sufficient, but it is more than enough. These 10 days are further divided into 5 days, friends. We will elaborate on these tasks in detail when we come to that phase. And to ensure that everybody is up to the mark, right? Everybody is coming to that speed and following the process. We ensure that we monitor your work, and to guide you and monitor you, we will have an industrial expert, an MLOps expert. A person who has worked on many real-time projects, they will impart their knowledge to you. They will guide you on what you have to do. And we will have a 15 minutes meeting on daily basis from Monday to Friday. And in this meeting, we will try to discuss about only 2 important questions. What did you do? And what you're supposed to do. These are the 2 things that we will focus on. And if you have any challenges, of course, you'll be bringing them up. But 15 minutes sharp. Time management is also something that we will teach you as part of this program. You need to understand, you need to filter on what needs to be discussed and what need not be discussed. What needs to be taken offline, what needs to be discussed in the meeting. Right? All these things are some of the skills that you'll be learning as part of the soft skills development aspect. Time management. And once you're done with all your projects, all your work in this project, you will be given a certificate similar to this. And this certificate will be absolutely free again. The entire program is free, friends. You don't have to pay anything to anyone. All you have to do is register. How do you register? There's a WhatsApp community link that is being shared in the chat message right now. My team is sharing that. You can click on it and enroll into the program. That's all. That's all you need to do. Enroll, show your interest, have your enthusiasm and zeal to learn new things. And once you're successfully completing your task, you will be getting certificate to showcase your. You're going to proudly showcase your skill, saying that, hey, this is my new skill set that I have to see. This is about the program, friends. And if I have to talk about 360DigiTMG, this is one of the top technical training providers for professionals and graduates and undergrads. We deal primarily with data science, artificial intelligence, generative AI, LLMs. We talk about data engineering. We talk about machine learning operations. If you click on this learning resources, you will have the highlights here. You can go through these videos to understand what is what. We also have additional learning resources. If you scroll down, you have digital book for data science. We'll have mind map for various concepts for cheat sheet kind of a preparation. We have quiz. You can attempt the quiz, learn where do you stand with the technical capabilities. We have ML architecture assistant where you will have templates. This is containing 3 templates for your project architectural design. You can just download the PDF by using this platform, customize your architecture and download it. We have resume mapper. This is basically like a ATS system, applicant tracking system that majority of the job portals have. It will help you to streamline your profile. It will help you to fine tune your profile to meet the requirements that the employers are seeking. You'll get a result, which is a comparison result we measure, which shows how similar or how relevant is your profile for a specific job description. Try it out. All you have to do is click on access now, upload your resume and your job description. You can copy paste the job description or upload the job description file if you have. And when you click on compare now, you will get all the ranking and the keywords or skill sets that you possess and you don't have. Once you see the result, you'll be able to understand what skill sets you don't have or you lack. Or maybe you have those skill sets, but you have not highlighted them in your resume. This information will help you to fine tune your resume and improve your chances to get selected, to get shortlisted for job interviews. We also have animated learnings. We have the DataSphere projects where our team explains about the various projects in different domains that our team works in. We also have a career page here. Basically, we'll come up with all the career opportunities that come across with our internal connects with various organizations, and you'll be able to come and see if there are any relevant openings that your profile might match. Of course, this page is still under building. We're coming up with this page. Very soon we will be announcing this. This is our social media channels. You can subscribe to YouTube and LinkedIn. LinkedIn, it's more like a mandatory thing, as I explained, right? You'll be looking at these kind of questions which you will have to address. So you follow the page, 360DigiTMG page here. And you'll get all the notifications in LinkedIn. With respect to YouTube, there are a lot of live sessions that we conduct, a lot of advanced concepts that we discuss. We talk about podcasts, we talk about the resume preparation sessions, we talk about new tools discussions, and all these are absolutely free, friends. You don't have to really pay anything to anyone. This is completely free. Majority of these sessions are live. Look at this. This is the list of sessions that are upcoming live. We also have success stories. That is more important for a lot of people, you people, to motivate yourself. This is the success story. Right, look at this. A lot of people, right, who are working in different organizations. So their success stories are shared here in their own words. They're working in, right, our team, our alumni is working in big companies, all the MNCs across the globe, and talking about the big four, right? And not just in India, across the globe. I'm talking about, and you can see this Ben who is right working with Emirates, Dubai, and we also have Rachna who is working with Al Shaya. This is also in Dubai, right? So on and so forth. We have a lot of people, right? We have Mumin Patel who's working with Volvo. We have EY. So all big companies, friends. And in fact, you can come to the 360DigiTMG webpage and search for success stories page. Okay. So if you slowly scroll down, the page has to load. Yeah, it's loaded now. You can see a lot of details here, and we have success stories, career transition. When you click on this success stories page, you'll be redirected to this, and here you have a PDF version of the success stories document. You can download, of course. All these people who have agreed to have their details updated, right? And you can see people who are freshers, people who are working with in different companies, how they change or how they transform their careers into the space of data science, data analytics are also given. You can always connect with them, friends. Their LinkedIn profiles are also given here, right? Most welcome to connect with them and talk to them. You can see big names, right? Wipro, Amazon, we talk about Capgemini. We also have, for example, Infosys. Yeah, we also have Futurance, Walmart. So a lot of these big companies, friends. So try and interact with them so that you also know how to, right, prepare yourself. You can go through this success stories videos so that, right, you also get to know how these people have prepared themselves, what motivated them to get into this interesting job role of data science or data analyst. All I can do is motivate you people. You can subscribe to YouTube channel and get all these latest of the information, friends. All right, that's all from my side, friends. Your program, if you're deciding to enroll into this interesting deployment related internship program, which nobody does, then your program starts tomorrow. All you have to do is enroll, and tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. onwards, you will be getting learning resources. Your learning phase begins. So good luck with this new opportunity that you're getting to upskill yourself. And I wish all the best, everybody. And thank you so much for hearing me out patiently. And